Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chili dogs. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 8 hot dogs, 8 hot dog buns, and about 15 ounces of your favorite chili. Don't forget your desired toppings like 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of diced white onion, and a squeeze bottle of yellow mustard. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get those hot dogs perfectly cooked. You can grill them for a smoky flavor, pan-fry them for a nice sear, or even boil them for a classic texture. Whichever method you choose, aim for about 5 to 7 minutes of cooking time. You want them heated through and perhaps a little crispy on the outside. This ensures a satisfying bite in every chili dog. Next, we'll prepare the star of the show, the chili. Pour your 15 ounces of chili into a small saucepan. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, stirring every few minutes. You want it to be hot and bubbly, but not boiling vigorously. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. A warm, rich chili is crucial for a truly comforting chili dog experience. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, assembly. Take a warm hot dog bun and nestle a cooked hot dog inside. Then, spoon a hearty amount of your hot chili right over the top. Don't be shy. Finish it off with your favorite toppings. A sprinkle of 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of diced onions adds fantastic flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade chili dog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.